guys, andito na kami sa Grand Palace. Guys, since may na panahon muli tayo ng Bukod View, sobrang init. It's actually almost 3 p.m. So guys, the Crocodile Barbecue Spy. Speaking naman ba? Pa ikaw. Titikman namin.
First time natikman namin yung
By the way guys, ito yung lobby ng... Hey guys, good morning. We're here in Bangkok for a 4-day trip. Teka, i-meet lang natin. So 4-day trip. This is a vacation trip para sa ating parents, kay mother at kay father. So they've been wanting to go here, you know, kasi last year 2024 they wanted to be to travel in Bangkok, but we've decided sa Hong Kong kasi may mga bata kami kasama and they wanted to visit Disneyland. So this time 2025 I decided not to bring them here in Bangkok, Thailand. So we'll be here for 4 days and we're gonna visit, of course today we're gonna visit the Grand Palace. It's a must when you visit Thailand, especially if it's your first time. So and then we're gonna do a river dinner cruise. First time din namin gagawin yun sa Chao Phraya River, the famous river in Bangkok and I believe in Thailand. And then we're also going to Jim Thompson na parang heritage house, no, na dito rin sa Bangkok. So it's a must visit tourist spot. Tomorrow we're going to Dam Nguyen sa Duak floating market, request ni mother, and also the Mae Klong Railway, no. So we bought the tickets sa Klook, no. So joiner kami sa bus tour. And then on our last day, we are going to do some shopping, no, sa Chatuchak, sa Siam, no. So yun yung mga gagawin natin. Guys, we're staying at the Asia Hotel Bangkok in Siam, Bangkok, obviously in Thailand. So this is our room, okay. We book it via Klook for 3 days and 3 nights and 4 days, no? Because we'll be staying in Bangkok for 4 days. So this is the room, very spacious, of course well lit. You have a centralized AC, of course the mini bar, ref, okay. Wala lang yung mga utensils dito, but they do have drinking, bottled water, glass, of course the kettle, and coffees, you know, tea. They have a TV, vanity mirror. They have in-room dining menu, and you know, so you can order pad thai, mga Thai food dito sa kanila. So ito yung mga choices. And okay, mga Asian food and even Western food, you know, such as of course yung mga fries, burgers. Okay. So ito, I also like this, you know, pagka nag-aayos ka ng luggage mo, the cabinets. Okay, the mirror, the safe, they have free slipper, okay, key card, dalawa. They do have internet or Wi-Fi also. This is the CR, so there you go, the shampoo, of course the toiletries, toilet bowl, meron ding phone, so you can call just in case you want to reach the reception, shower, bathtub, okay, so there. So ito ang aming room for the next 4 days. The parents nasa kabilang room. Actually malayo dito, no, but this maganda yung lobby nila, but what we only notice is that old na yung design, no, so hindi ito yung mga modern design, but fair enough, no, because pagdating pa lang namin, pagbaba namin sa lobby ng hotel, may nag-assist na kagad, and then maaliwalas naman yung kanilang reception, and maganda din yung design, no. So I think napaka-importante nun. And the location of this Asia Hotel Bangkok is just connected to the train station, which explore natin tomorrow. So yeah, this is for only I think 28 or 29,000 pesos, but and for 4 people, 2 rooms, okay, and yung nga lang walang breakfast inclusion. Okay, may deposit din, so I guess 1,000 baht per room, so we gave 2,000 baht. Obviously, mariri-fund naman back pag checkout nyo yung 2,000, no? Unless may mga damages, syempre ibabawas din sa refund. So, this will be our room for the next 4 days. So guys, ito yung kanilang pool area. So, it's like in a courtyard. So, as you can see, and so kanina may nagsiswimming dyan. And fair enough, no? So it's not a modern hotel. So I think it has seen its better days, but pwede na, no? Especially for the price. So I think kung naghanap kayo ng malapit sa Siam, sa shopping district, itong Asia Hotel Bangkok, though it's not new and modern unlike the other hotels, dito sa Bangkok, I think this is fair enough naman. Okay, so peaceful naman yung sleep namin kasi dito kami sa side na to, so walang ingay and okay lang. So by the way guys, ito yung lobby ng Asia Hotel Bangkok. So as you can see, ang ganda, no? Kasi yung mga chandelier, very grand. They have a lounge bar and of course the restaurant they call Amber. So guys, nandito na kami sa Grand Palace. Pupunta kayo dito, meron ng mga ganito. Sige pa. Meron na sila mga underground na you can actually rest dahil mainit sa labas bago kayo pumasok sa Grand Palace. Or kung pagod na kayo, pwede kayo dito. May toilet din sila. So mga underground na mga underpass. So may elevator, may escalator. Diyan kami guys pumili ng ticket, mas maayos sa taas compared nung unang punta namin dito sa Bangkok. So mabilis lang, 500 baht per person. Bigyan naman ba?
Yes.
Pa ikaw?
Very happy.
Very happy. Kamusta?
Very much. Father the late. Good. Celebration.
Ano masasabi niyo sa Grand Palace?
Wow.
Ganda
Like
mo.
palace.
Very, very beautiful.
Extravagant. Napaka-extravagant ba?
Extravagant.
Totoong gold yan dito.
Oo.
Memorable in my life.
Sige, akit tayo doon sa taas.
Being here in Grand Central.
Dapat doon sa kabila. Ayun, sa tapat doon.
Mga simbahan natin.
Tama, tingin ka dito. Ayan.
India, tita.
Hi guys. Tingin mo daw kung magkano. Ay, hintayin natin sila. Galing na tayo sa loob, diba?
Ito sabihin mo, ang tita nyo nasa Thailand ngayon.
Ang tita niyo isa Thailand.
May quest ako. Dinilit ko para tumangat.
Maging ginto.
Sabati ka.
Pasensya na kayo kasi
Wala yung mga magluluto.
nandito lang kami ngayon sa
Para
palace.
magluluto. Bumili muna kayo sa Binilibe.
Picture ako muna kayo dito ba?
Si Madam Lori nagliliwaliw sa pinagawa ng sipahan.
Pa.
Puro ginto. Dapat dito tumira. Pagbalik natin ginto na.
Ama, May picture kita.
Hindi na pagawa ka na ganito sa Mambusa.
Ay,
Palapit-lapit.
Sabi, sawadi ka.
Grand Palace.
Dito muna kami.
First time kami nakarating dito.
Okay.
Grand Hut.
So guys, nasa dilim tayo. Sobrang init. It's actually almost 3 p.m. No? But of course, no, worth it naman kung mga temples dito sa Grand Palace. So konti tao, I think it's because it's Thursday and because it's tanghaling tapat. Yan na naman. Go. Guys, since may na panahon, bumili tayo ng buko juice na natural. I think ito yung binuksan yung buko tapos yung laman ito nilagay dito sa ganito. This is 120 baht sa loob ng Grand Palace dito sa side na to. Guys, so yung buko, may straw kasama at saka tissue and of course yung fork. And yun, yung juicy, masarap siya. No? And then pwede mo na kainin after pagka ubos na yun. Guys, dito kami sa Tatsang Pier. So coming from Grand Palace, ito yung pinakamalamit na station. So we bought a ticket, 30 baht, going to Icon Siam because we have a dinner river cruise at 7 p.m. So ito yung look na kanilang pier. Before pa no nag-prepare din kami, hindi ganito yung look nito. Meron dito parang floating market, no? Pero ngayon binago na nila. Inaisat na nila. And yung mga stalls, mga market, nandun na lang sa gilid. So the entire place is really dedicated for the pier. So mas maluwag na siya ngayon. And so guys, this is our boat, no? So, ano siya? Closed, air-conditioned. So not the typical local boat. No? At saka yung mga hop-on, hop-off na merong roof deck, no? So kung pinili namin to kasi one way lang naman kami. So yun yung water sa tapat na yun. So nakarating na tayo dito sa Icon Siam Station. And of course, the Icon Siam. Ang galing nung effect nito. So guys, the crocodile barbecue, spicy 100 baht, barbecue crocodile, and that's the crocodile. Titikman namin.
First time natikman namin yung crocodile. Barbecue crocodile.
Ilang piraso
Sa
yun?
YouTube na nakikita yan.
Ilang piraso yun?
Ang mangga pa? Crocodile barbecue. And of course, the mango sticky rice. Wow, sana. Here at Icon Siam, Bangkok. So guys, dito sa terrace na to, from Starbucks pumasok kami. Ito yung view. Bili tayo nito. Coffee Master Thailand, stuffed toy. Dito tayo sa Starbucks Reserve and Icon Siam. Ganyan sana yung ano pa eh. Pasig.